Okay, welcome to the stream. Okay, today I'm just gonna do some client work on the side and then just continue on the former project. I want to do the school project a bit more. For all the ones new and don't know what I'm doing, I'm a vibe coder. My name is Hunter Yip, aka Inti Yip, and now I'm a full-time vibe coder at 18. I make projects for clients on Fiverr. That's where I like get all my freelance clients from, and I'm also contracted with a few companies. But I think just Fiverr is the most interesting. I would recommend every single one of you to start a Fiverr or Upwork or so on, just because it's so freeing, and you get to do so much. Like it's so interesting to like do real estate and so on. It doesn't sound interesting, but once you realize that you're like in all these businesses, it's so you like get to be in the shoes. Because when I work with a client, I always try and step in the shoes of their client. Really, for example, if I'm doing a lawyer, I'm a lawyer for the day, or like if I'm doing a plumbing website, I'm a plumber for the day. Like you get to see the companies how they work. It's nice. Now let me set up everything and I'll just get stream started. I'll like make sure that the mobile app or not mobile app, my desktop app for my baked OS. Can you start it up on localhost? Thank you. Just because that seems to be a problem that just doesn't want to start up. Give it a moment. I haven't decided on the Replit buildathon yet, but we will see what we'll build. Like, I rather not rush the ID and just get one good ID off the ground and then just get it started than instead of like a bad ID. I have some ideas that I want to do for like the Replit designathon. I just need to see like what's viable and so on. Like a designathon is nice, but a lot of it is like animation and videos, and I don't think Replit has added videos yet. I might be wrong. I haven't checked it fully, but as far as I know, they haven't. Yo, KG, welcome to stream. I'm now waiting a bit for everything to start up. Like waiting for my local host to fully get off the ground. Because otherwise I can't like have my baked OS open. But I'll put it in a desktop app later and then make sure it just starts up whenever I need it. But yeah, I'm still thinking about what I will do for the Replit Designathon. There's just so many options, and that's the problem of like choosing. Ah, did we hit 420? Nice. Isn't that the number of weeds? Screen. Or I remember, what is 420, or was it of the devil, or what was it again? 420 number. If it's a devil, that's not really good. Yeah, cannabis. Nice. I don't smoke cannabis myself, but I might later on try it, but when I'm older. Like, it's not good if you're like a young guy, and if your brain is still developing. Or in my opinion. But I know Snoop Dogg and everyone's smoking it every single day. But weed is good, like if you're used to it. It's just the same as like, not the same as in like Red Bull and so on, but okay. Yeah, I wasn't sure if it was the weed or the other thing. Okay, Baked OS is starting up. Like, ignore the startup, because it's like in the Safari. Okay, nice. And we'll see what we'll get working on. There's a load of options, so. I am going to work on a client a bit on the side, just because I wanted it finished. It's a small client project, so just like getting it online. And then I'll also just let the AI. I'll put Claude Code here for you all to enjoy and watch Claude Code do its thing. I had like 2 tabs, but I forgot. For some reason I can't see my local tabs when I run the AI locally. But Continue with the full milestones and then later on open it in localhost so I can take a look. Thank you. Also, I saw a very fun feature in, I think it's Whisperflow, that I'm also gonna start using later on once it's like, or once I start using it, if I can open it. Whisperflow, here. They have like a note taker. Like, I know for some people it's not that useful, if I can close. Note. Like, when you go join a call, it transcripts. And it's just useful for when I do a meeting or talk with a client, it writes it down. Like, Whisperflow is a nice platform. And it's also cheap for like what it gives you. I'm not sponsored by Whisperflow, by the way. But I was like trying to make a something like Dax, like the Bobby Speaks with the other vibe coder. But I'll get that started soon. It works, but like Whisperflow is still better because it's like connected to a server and so on. But your data is probably getting stolen if you use Whisperflow, or like it has models being trained on it, but all good. For me, it doesn't matter. The only thing they can have for my like info is like, whoa, I vibe code for clients, and I don't say my API keys out loud, so. Now let me see, interchange. Let me check this client on the side. While the Claude code gets to work. It is nice though, like you can work with sync. It's nice, but just because you can like work in the shell, you can just connect Replit and so on into it. Or what do I say, Replit? In Replit shell, you can connect codecs into it. It's what I meant to say. You can also do it with Claude, but Claude is like, I cannot explain. It's like Claude is like a bit less capable of like doing that kind of stuff, of like wiring himself in without like full autonomy. Like if you say to Codex do this, he'll just do it and he doesn't ask for permission. With Claude, he's like, privacy. But well, what's it called? You can just literally take over your PC. Yeah, Tommy streams early and my streams are late. Yo, Sigma, yeah, for sure. I'm now doing a quick client project and I'm also gonna do this. It's like a school project. Or well, school project. Let me see if I can find a screenshot. I'm just gonna make like a school program. Like in school, a few years ago, when I was still in high school, we had like this boring ass school program that they were like trying to use to teach us science and so on, but it was so bad, outdated from like 2012. That I'm gonna make a new one, and I'm going to get it sold to schools in Flanders. Because that company that has that software of like 2012 makes 55 million a year. And that's only in the Flanders region, so no Holland, no nothing, just Flanders. Not even to the Wallonians. And if I can make the tool universal, I'm just gonna sell to the Flanders, the Wallonians, and the Dutch to begin with, and then try to do all of Europe. Let me see. Push and merge to my GitHub, please, because it doesn't seem to like... Just push to main. You have the full GitHub plugin. Just push to main via the plugin and then all good. I think it's online also somewhere. Like I recently put it online. These are examples. I'm going to make the program more in depth. Nah, you joking. You joking. GitHub ain't offline. Nah. Here, like this is just standard, but I'm gonna make it for all of for the mathematics or whatever it's called. It's gonna be like this, and I'm going to improve it more and add AI into it also. I'm gonna make like multiple things for the teachers to teach on the board, because in my school we had like a projector. So there's gonna be an option that the teachers can just put it on the projector and like draw and all that stuff, type, do what they need to do. And then also tools with AI to teach people, for example, like students, Pythagoras and so on. That's like easy to learn. Because I know not all teachers are like good at their job, or like they don't explain it well. Like, well, this is now a bit too simple, or like I still need to see, like, I'm going to take a lot of the curriculum from the European Union. I'm going to mainly make this for the Europeans, because I was in the European school system. And I'm just gonna take all of that curriculum, what's needed to, like, graduate and so on, and put it in here to help students. Okay, this is a new version. The design I need to fine tune is a bit more. But I know Claude can do this. Claude and Codex can fully make a platform like this. Because the competitor, I'm now just gonna use Spelkmans as an example. But they do something different than me. Because they have ebooks. But I can also make, or like get ebooks. I just need to like call a few publishers and just say, can I use your books? And then you can use my program. I know I can get a few of these books, like, lower quality than theirs, because a lot of these are from Pelkmans themselves. Worst case, I sell my program to Pelkmans, or like part of it. Notes. Okay. Yeah, sometimes I forget to change it. Like on the Streamlabs it was changed. Okay, he's publishing it. GitHub seems to be working, so we'll see. You're allowed to spend sub-agents. Also start adding all of the other curriculums. You can check the milestones and so on. Do research. Just now, for now, just focus on Pelkmans and so on. And then maybe, but that's for in the next milestones. First we'll do even the payment and so on. We'll start to try and become the next smart school. But for now, start on Pelkmans. Just make sure that all the lessons work at curriculum, not only just Pythagoras and gravity. Really? Is GitHub down? For me it seems to work. GitHub status. Okay, it does seem to be down. But hopefully made this today full backend. Yo, visa to code, nice. Welcome to stream. Let me see, Jacob, what is this? Is it gonna break my computer at the end? Ah, nice. Hello? And visa to code, let me know what you're currently working on. I always like to hear just what the people are working on, what kind of projects and so on. Let me see, Jacob here, the AI doesn't seem to work. Let me see. Okay. It's good that there's like a rate limiter on it. That's good though. Okay. Nah, nice man. GG hacked. Nah, be safe. I trust Jacob not to hack me. You have the embed. Nah, nice. Nice. Also, visa to goat. You can also join the Discord, because sometimes it doesn't allow people to send links. Also, I'll copy paste the $Vibe Club link. For all the ones new in the stream, join Vibe Club. We do giveaways, hackathons and so on. And we just teach people how to make money online. I'm 18 years old, full-time vibe coder. Or online money guy, whatever you want to call it. For now I do vibe coding, but I know when vibe coding disappears in like 5 years, I'll still be working online. It will just be something different. I won't be doing ecom, or well, I will be doing ecom like coming months, but then we'll see like in 5 years what business opportunities emerge and so on. Okay, Claude is stealing Flemish info to make the curriculum. And we'll see. Codex is trying to merge it into GitHub, but is failing, apparently. We will see, man, we will see. Smart School is even phase 5 or something. Our first goal is to become a better platform than Palkmans, and also something integrated with ebooks. My main goal is to like sell this to teachers and students, to like help them like learn quickly if their teachers are no good, and also to teachers and schools to like help them teach the kids in front of the class and like have a nice digital work environment. And just like, for example, projector screen it in like the big screen, and then they can do whatever they need to do. Like, check what Pelkmans has with their GG books and everything, and how they do it in Flemish schools. It's just like a big projector. The program gets booted on the projector on the board, and there's the teacher types on it and whatever. Like, our program is so outdated. I just want to fix it. Worst case, like, even if I can help one school with it, then I'm happy. Just to know, okay, at least one school's and at least a few kids, like, have a better education tool. Or, like, that's just my main goal. But I do think you can make loads of money from this. Like, 0.5%. If you can get 0.5% of the entire EU on this, you have around 20 million a year. And that's a lot. And like, for example, I don't need to pay people for I'm the only one pretty much in the company. Like, I don't have 200 employees that I need to pay 200k a month or 200k a year for no goddamn reason. So small company, and then I get most of the profits. I'm currently only on the 5x on Claude. Normally I use Codex, but last month I had 20x Claude and 5x Codex, but now I switched 20x on this, 5x on Claude. But I'll probably maybe get it on both. But for now I like prefer Codex. And like with the generous resets, I never had a problem. But now Codex is nah, Codex is good. It has like more control over your computer. Like, it can do more. If you tell it to just take... It asks for less permissions compared to Claude. Man, Replit pushing those pro plans even on my clients, their accounts. Because I am seeing it just from like logging in and so on. And what if we get a license? But do we need a well, that I'll do in another chat. I know I need a license to do that officially, because then otherwise you can get lawsuited for doing that stuff. Like, you can't... What I wanted to do was... It's not illegal, but like with screenshots and PDF scanners, you just take the book, make photos of every page, and you wire it up. And if with AI, you can just immediately get it into the system. But that's not illegal, because then you're taking their books and so on. It's legal if you don't tell them. But if you tell them, it's not legal. Just because it's like the whole thing with the data training of the AI models. And something like that. But now they're stricter on it. But for now, I'll just make a good program. And then later on, I'll see if I can get any publishers or like legit teachers to at least make some books. But the ebooks aren't needed per se. Like, you can still, I can still sell this without having ebooks. Like, just things like this. Like, for example, Pythagoras, this is just 2 of them. But if I can get like 200 of these, like 500 of these, and like improved, that it's very easy that everyone can understand this with also like an AI agent, for example. Laws do not... True, but I'm not rich yet. I'm not rich yet that I can bribe the government officials. Nah, but if I can, like, an AI agent even in this can help people, for example, like if they have a question, they're like, yeah, why is it 6.4 instead of 6.4, like, why is it like that? And then the AI agent can, okay, it's because that. But yeah, Pythagoras is now simple, like this, just for the harder exercise, it's 12 to 16, that's maybe why. Projectile motion. I kinda remember this from school, but not fully. Well, I should, but like most of these things I will never use in my life. Well, gravity and projectile motion, yes, but not that calculated. Like if I want to throw something, I just throw it. But I do get if you're like into science and everything, or if it's like part of your job, I do get it that it's like needed. But in most scenarios, Pythagoras and this one, yes, you need. But for all the higher level of mathematics and physics, you do not need in your day-to-day. In my opinion. No clue what he is doing or whose exercises he's stealing, but we'll let him do his thing. Let me check, is my GitHub updated? Yes. Give me the handoff prompt so Replit can like make sure everything works and so on. Thank you. Okay, nice. When does this client expire? Just checking. Alright, nice. Also, visa to code, or visa to code. If you have your project, do send it in the Discord or Dollar Vibe Club. Or if it's like on your profile, just send me your name. Or the name of the profile. Or of the project, I mean. Now we wait. Now we just wait for the AI to get all of it done. The headset doesn't feel comfortable. But I might buy a new headset or just a mic. Just like a... what's it called? Just a mic I can like mount on the table. This I'll fix. Small things like this, please also do fix in the design, like top and bottom. You see that the lines are sticking out. And do continue with your research and so on. And then give me the full plan and then you can get started. But do fix that visual issue. I'll probably use this also harness more, but like a harness you don't really need to get your projects done, and I'll stand by it. Like I will stand by that. You don't need some fancy IDE or a harness to get your projects done. Like if you already are good at vibe coding, you did some clients, then you can start thinking about vibe coding and ADE. Because it also takes a lot of time just for the agent. It's like an hour or two. If you make it from scratch. If you don't make it from scratch, then it will still take quite a bit. Depends. Let me see. This I wanted to check later on. I already had this open yesterday, but I just wanted to use it again. Because it's a good tool, I just don't see what's capable with it. Because I want to do like the arcade room and so on. I probably won't have enough credits. But in the end of the day, it's literally a wrapper, but or like I don't know what AIs they use, but I just know it's a wrapper pretty much. But they can make nice stuff. Like if I ever do like, what I really want to have is like a client that has like a game, because then I can make something cool like this. Because for now, all my clients don't need stuff like this. But I had a chance, but the client said no. It was like on Upwork, or like he found someone cheaper. It's not always like, cheaper options are not always better, but it was just Upwork, so it's a bit of a different game. He had like a World of Warcraft clan slash guild, and he wanted a website to like have his legacy recorded. It was a very nice idea. I wish I could had like gotten the project. Normally my close rate is around 90, but maybe new Upwork selling and so on. This I'll definitely also get. Okay, nice. The eye's working, and we'll see what will pop up. No idea what turbo pack means. Now we'll do the final check and we should be good. I do also want to get started on Dribble. Like the main things I want to get started on is improve my Fiverr. Like top rated I will get this year, I'm quite certain. And then the next thing I want to do is Dribble and Upwork as like freelance related stuff. Ah, okay, let me see. I think it's this project. Didn't even see. Let me see what this is about. Ace your next technical interview, real-time edited screenshot. Isn't this like Cluely? Or, say I'm wrong if I am, but isn't that like Cluely's cheating tool? Malu, okay, just product, okay, just. There's some glitches, but it does look nice. I don't know how much this is, but nice. I don't think the tool works yet, but once it does. Okay, all good. What I do say, like I don't know what guy it was yesterday in the chat saying something about like yeah, but they won't accept me in a job if I don't know the coding language specifics. I recently had a call with some AI company, and you know what they told me at the first thing? If you know any coding languages, then we sadly won't accept you, because they were like, we don't want some coding, like they were just simply, in other words, they were just simply saying, yeah, we don't like people that don't use AI because it's just a waste of our time if they don't use AI and blah blah. But in other words, it just meant we don't want no geeks that do the coding languages, just use AI to vibe code. Like, they were chill, but like, we'll see if I work with them. Like, the AI agencies truly, like, the companies do not care anymore if you have like a coding degree or whatever. Like, just vibe code some nice projects and they'll accept you. Like, you don't need to learn like lead code if they like start asking you some technical questions. Most of them don't care. Like, all the good companies won't care. If you're in a shitty company, they will care about those specifics, but like, you have so many coders that haven't launched any projects, and like, you have vibe coders that launch them monthly. So I would say you still need to learn technical stuff, but don't make it your main goal. I would, in my opinion, make your main goal shipping projects and making money. Don't be wasting hours and hours and hours of your day learning lead code manually or like Python. Like, doesn't have any use if like someone says something code related and you can answer, or like you manually type. The AI will be faster. Like my 7 sub agents will beat any coder, and that's also what that's not even my words. Nvidia CEO and all those others literally said English new coding language. Senior developers that don't use AI will lose their job. And AI is at a point, there's almost 0 glitches, and people complaining about security are just not using Supabase, or like they're using some cracked tool. Alright, let me see. Here. Ah, okay. Once it's redeployed, let me know and I'll check it. The AI is cooking, we'll see. Hey, I don't know if that's my API key applet, but just take it, man. Don't know whose API key he took, but... Oh, well, it's mine, I think. Like, yeah, it works. And the emails and everything are set up now. Let me check one thing. Are they linked to the domain? Rapplet is so chill, man. Like, just works. Chance. Okay, nice. I do want like some interesting client project again, like something interesting, like solar panels, a game company. But I'll see. I'll like try and push for some interesting clients soon. Because I've done a lot of lawyers, I've done a lot of finance. But I do say freelance gives you a lot of like different clients. It's fun, it's not repetitive. That I do say. Almost none of them are the same, they always do something different. I had a few that are like kind of the same, but like it's still different if you're like a criminal lawyer or a, what's it called? Minor provocation lawyer. I don't know what's exactly called, but there's like differences between. Let me see, it's loading and then we'll see. Beefed up HQ. All my freelance clients are... No. Like, okay. Step number 1. Join $Vibe Club fully free. I ain't selling a course. Link and pinned. You go to classrooms. Scroll all the way down. How to Fiverr for noobs. Here, PDF. And that explains fully how I do it. All those clients are from Fiverr. But I also have personal clients, but... I get 10k a month, over 10k a month from those clients on Fiverr. If you don't believe me, go to Hunter Yip on Fiverr, Hunter Yip Labs. Yeah, Hunter Yip. And then you can see I gained another like 13 reviews in the last month. And all of those clients are above. It depends, like some clients are 7.5 and some are just 2,000 and a half. The simple websites are 2,000 and a half, but all the complex stuff is above 10k. And complex stuff, I mean like things you've never heard about, like AI PDF analyzers. That's the first thing I don't think anyone else built that, what they built, or like made me build. Like AI PDF analyzers for finance and merchants, like merchant statements. It's a really cool thing. It's the first time that I've even heard about something like that when they came with it. I do hope that project pops off. For now, it's like all internally, but then after a month or two, they want to like bring it to the market and sell it in the US. It's gonna be an interesting project. Also, let me check yours, Jacob. Allow while visiting. Hello. Hello? I want to book my appointment. It's ringing. Jacob, wait. I thought that's like Google, man. But it doesn't work, man. Sad. Yeah, now I get to be a full-time vibe coder at 18. But nah, it's saying it was ringing for 5 minutes, bro. Like, or well, for 1 minute. But now I'll check in a few in 90 seconds. And in my opinion, just everyone can learn this to like get clients. You have freelance, local, and so on. Hard refresh. Okay. Or hard refresh. My Dutch accent is heavy today, like, whoa. Motherfucker, start the applets. Man, Jacob, it ain't talking, man. It ain't gonna ring, I think. No, no, no. I'm Nederlander. Of wel, niet Nederlander. Belgium. Belgique français. Yo, PR. Yeah, good night. It's a bit of a late stream for me. I'm gonna like stream an hour and a half or so. Nah, Jacob, it ain't working, man. The stream can see it, everyone can see it. At the moment, it ain't working. But maybe... Ah, nice. Yeah, I'm not German, though. I am more French, I think. But I can speak German. Or well. I can order in German. Like, if I'm in Frankfurt, they will understand me. But maybe it's because I have, like, some scuffed Dutch accent. I just know I can go to Frankfurt, go to the shop, and like order some food and the restaurant, and they'll be like, ah, okay, that's what he wants and needs. And they'll just look at me strange for a moment, like, from what kind of accent does that guy have? Or like, I'll probably think I'm like, not Highlander, Fries? I don't know. I don't know what it's called, from the Holland part. Continue, do first like the first step so that I can like follow the progress and see it nice visually because I'm live streaming, and then the chat can follow. And don't show me any API keys or anything in this chat that people can see it. Like, keep it for yourself. I never got an API key leaked, but I don't want that to happen. Yeah, but it might be because it was the development link, Jacob. But well, if it works, then I'll check. But it's always different for the development links in Replit. Okay, my bad, Replit. Didn't republish. But nah, beefed up, definitely link up with me. Or else maybe... Nah, what RLS? It's just because you're not leveled up. We have like a level locked system, and then said, what do you mean? Everyone can join, like Jacob, for educational purposes. Please join room 3. Yeah, it's level locked, beef. You need to join the next day. Next day you just join and then it's unlocked. I just have the level locks because for the love of the game. If you really want to log in, just log in a second day and then you have it. It's just everything is locked for like... Ah, wait. You're not even approved, I think. Unless, here. Here, you're approved. Now you can see stuff more than just a preview. Like, we have a manual approve, and it's also more fun just because we're only at like 570 users or a bit more, but it's more fun than also for the streamers. Or well, for me and Tommy to accept people manually. And we're doing it for free, so that's also why. Yeah, but we went for a more vibe-coded look. We had a very, very nice design. Before, it was like version 2, because we made it during a build-a-thon. But then we were like, nah, let's make it fully vibe-coded, like a bit of a vibe-coded look. And that's what it is now. We used to have a better design. It was more school-like. But then we were like, nah, let's embrace vibe coding or the AI slop design. Or well, kinda AI slop design. It just seems more vibe codey, it's nicer. But yeah, it's fully vibe coded. I'm not a coder at all. I've made around 40 freelance. I did like 40 freelance projects since I turned 18. And I have a few client projects and also a few passion projects and so on. Now, for sure, join the Discord, the Dollar Vibe Club. There's a link to the Discord. You can also link your Discord in the Dollar Vibe Club. You can check it. It doesn't do anything with your account. It's just read only. And then we're like gonna add some features in Discord that's like connected with the website. I'm still thinking what exactly and how so and what, but we're planning some stuff. Because the Discord integration is like truly amazing actually. You can do a lot of fun stuff with it. And the Discord bot is in the server. I just need to like choose what it can do. Accept stream notifications. Interesting. I have no clue why he's taking so slow, but it's republished. Take a look now. Also, Beefed Up HQ, what are you currently working on? Or what kind of projects have you done? Or have you done? And it's just fun to see and hear about all the kinds of stuff people do. Let me see. Volgende spatie, pauze, volgende. Okay, this is in Dutch for some reason. Let me see. I broke it for some reason, or maybe it's part of the calc. Yeah, no, I broke it. Well, for now this is simple. I'm waiting for its projection. Okay, and then like I'm a teacher, and I'm like I'll also add some texting. And then just here, blah blah, up, here, 3. Okay. Ah, nice. Ah, nice. I've done one firearms. It was like attachments. Like, I do want to do more firearms websites. It does seem interesting, but in Europe there's not many of them. I do have a lot of American clients, but there are not firearms. My biggest right now. But nah, definitely get started on Fiverr. You can get loads of them on there, and soon I will start fully on Upwork and Dribbble, and I'll show you it's not luck. Luck you can fabricate. Because when I started streaming, I've heard so many dumb excuses, like from people, like either it's the region, either but Turkey, what was it? Fiverr doesn't work in Turkey, and then it was like one Google search and it works. Like people making up excuses just to not work, or like to say but I cannot do it because it's just limiting yourself. I mainly do this to promote the Dollar Vibe Club and just show people it's truly possible to live the life of your dreams. You don't need to have a shitty job or do the 9 to 5. Like, this thing, like the whole AI gold rush, it's bigger than... You can make money from nothing. It's digits on a screen. Like, you just pay... You don't even need to pay for a subscription at the beginning. You can make money from your PC at your home. I try and always do details, KG. I just make it perfect. Details are the most important. Like, those small little details the client will notice. And they will, like, say, that's amazing. Always try and make the project, if it's, like, for a client, make sure they cannot say anything. Make sure that when they check the project, they can literally say nothing. That's bad. Is that always figured for me? Nah, like, beefed up... Definitely, there are people selling stuff for $50, but they ain't getting quality. I never sell anything below 1,000. I don't even look at it as if it's below 1,000. Like, if you're a starter seller, yes, then maybe do a website for 750 or 500. But later, if you have like 5 or 4 orders, do not even do anything below 1,000, like, for a full website. In my opinion. Just because then people pay still such large amount for websites. It hasn't changed just because it's AI. What is... interesting. Also, in the projection and task thing, can you make sure that there's like a way that I can put like text that I can just type? It's the same something Pelkmans has. Thank you. But maybe do that on a different screen, like projection or something. Yeah, same KG, but it's just those details. Those are really important details, details. For the client, for example, just a small thing like, just like a small thing for like the town they're from, their phone number. Small things or like those small design tweaks are what gets the client. That's what gets you an $800 tip. Or well, 900 it was, I think. I don't even remember. I should remember it. It was, I think, 850. Like, the client was so happy on Fiverr, he gave me 850 USD tip. That's something most people... It's insane. 850 tip in USD. As like a tip, as like, hey, thank you, man, for making this website amazing. It's crazy. Like, that's something only certain people on certain platforms get. That amount is insane. 850 for just as a thank you. Just so always do those details. Always try and make it perfect for a client. Make it perfect. Like, if you're like a perfectionist, that's good. Like, just get it done until it's absolutely perfect, and the client will see that. There's no way to get rid of the thing. Cool. Get me out of this. Okay. Okay, but he is adding stuff, so that's good. He's working on other stuff. Okay, that's good. Do all of the milestones in one go that we talked about and just make this platform launch ready A to Z with all the curriculum and so on. I'm also checking on my other project on the side. All good. Okay, I republished. Can you now do a full check? I'll check this. Also, I'll change the music. All the music in Dollar Vibe Club is free to use if you're a Vibe Code streamer or just a streamer in general. It's fully free to use for everyone. Fable eats my usage. Too expensive on 5x. Too expensive for like most stuff. And Opus is good, like for what I'm currently doing. Both models are decent. You can make anything in both models. We're at like a point you can make anything except if you're like doing something really complex. Like really complex. This is just, or well, I would put this at like a 7 on the complexity scale in general of this entire project. Maybe a 6. Like all the complex stuff I would say is trying to make other stuff with AI, like video image generation platforms from scratch or like with some API connections and so on. That's harder to do. That I would say is a 9 out of 10. Okay, that I might use. Wait. Please use Fable 5 again and then also spin up sub agents on Opus 5, thank you. It will probably not switch and so on. So you recommend... I would say I recommend Salad Plus if you're gonna go for it. If you're gonna go for it as a G and you or like they say or whatever, like if you're gonna give it your all, get Fiverr Plus. It's such a small investment for what you get. I think it's $14 as a starter or something. And just read these PDFs. Read these PDFs, give them to your AI, and then it has all the info. Like it's mainly sales. Like I will. Simply, if I can find something from here. Nope. We'll fix that later, KG. It's no problem. Like, at the moment, I am confident the AI is all good with it. Where can I see it? Or I don't know if there's a delay on the stream, who knows. Normally there isn't, but I cannot find it, but what the PDF says, it's very simple. Demos. If you literally send a vibe coded demo to the client, you have a 95% close rate. They do not say no when you send them a demo because nobody sends a demo. Like, if you start like sending the client a full-on text block saying, we're gonna use React and blah 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 blah, the client doesn't give and care. 15-second delay, that's all good. Yeah, normally I also use GPT 5.6, but in my opinion, Peter, you can use both of them. You can literally use both of them. Like, we're at a point you can use both models for whatever, or well, for simple projects. For simple projects. And for mine, isn't that complex? On the complexity scale, I would say 7 to 6, 7 or something. 6 out of... Like, mine is just a simple education tool. Like, if you're the projects I did that I would say are 10 out of 10 in difficulty is like some strange video generation platform trying to compete with Higgsfield. GPT-6 plus become... Nice! Okay, that would be nice though. But now legit send them just a demo. Send clients a demo, like they don't say no because... Like, for example, you're a 40-year-old dude in finance. If you start talking about Supabase, Vercel, React, or whatever, Java, like, he's like gonna be, I have no clue what this guy is speaking, I do not understand him. If you send them a visual demo, he will be like, this looks nice, I want this as my website. Where do I sign, or where do I pay? Like, then they understand. If you send them a full text block with all those specifics, they do not care and will not read. Like, I've had clients, they literally don't even, like, if I say you want to hop on a call or, like, want me to explain it more, they're like, nah, I saw the demo, it's all good. Like, they just see the demo and they know, this man knows his stuff, let him do his thing. Like, I don't need to know whatever code language is in the system. He just wants the website to look nice, to make it work, and to get clients from it, or like make money from the website, and that's it. They don't want to learn the backend. That's your job. Your job as a vibe coder and as like it's in general, your job is to like take all the stress, all the effort from the client. You don't need to bother the client with like, should we use Python or Java? Like, they don't care and they don't know. Like, they don't know and they don't care. You should choose for them, you take all the stress and effort from that web design part for them. And you just tell them, you want to change the button colors. If, like, corporate will sometimes tell me to, like, yeah, Johnny from HR wants to change this button to orange or something. But I do like working with corporate because they sent me, like, these full PDFs with changes and I just loaded into it's simple to work with them. Like, corporate takes a while because it needs to like go to the entire office for like a week. But then you get like this full PDF with changes in it. It's very nice. It's easy. It does take a while. But I would say corporate clients are very, very fun to do. I have a lot of people that are like complaining and say, but corporate, I don't want to work with them. Work for everybody. Like, corporate ain't that bad. Like, they chill. Or in my cases at least. Corporate is not, like, they ain't bad. Like, they chill, just laid back most of the time. Teacher in Belgium, what? Already doing my taxes, okay. Like, we'll see, like, I do know I can make this company off the ground. I did some research. It's gonna be around the same tax as what I pay for my regular projects. But I think I can get tax cuts. Once I like work in education and like get to school selling, I can like say, blah blah blah, education help, and then I can get tax cuts. But that's once we make money. Like, always make money first and then worry about the taxes. Like, get the project off the ground and then worry about getting the company name for that and all of that stuff. Like, you have people, this is like, I don't know what entrepreneur said it, some guy in chat already told me about it, but it's like, don't be buying the entire supply and like branding name, logo, and like the business name if you ain't making money, like you don't even know if you're gonna make money, first make money and then get everything sorted for like for a legal name of the business and so on. First get the money in the pocket and then pay with it to like get everything sorted legally. If you start a new company, don't be wasting thousands of dollars if you don't even know if it's gonna work. Like, I would say, but Tommy also says this, like you need 500 USD to start a business. And like most of the time, I would even say way less. Just need, if you're starting a business online, it depends what you do, but you just need a domain name, Vercel, AI subscription, Supabase maybe, and that's it. If you're doing a mobile app, it's also around the same. You don't even, well, domain name you need actually, just for like marketing. But for the rest, like, Apple is chill though. Like, they literally test your apps for you. Like, I will promote my fitness app a bit more, but I just need to make gym content. I'll get a few. I know I'm saying it like last few weeks, but I just need to get really. That's where I'm lacking. I need to like get into that fitness content. I just need to film myself doing some backflips and calisthenics, and then I get views. And I have a friend of mine. He has like, I think he's now 100k on Insta and 50k on, or well, I think 150 on TikTok. He just has those gym bro videos where he just does his random poses and like has some edit music on it. But, well, he does get money from it, but not a lot. Because he says like, yeah, companies scam you, I get just free protein powder, he says. But I do hope I'll pay him a bit, let him do some content posting for me. But always, I would recommend everyone first, if you like, before you hire something, do it yourself. Like, before you hire an editor, edit for yourself, and so on, so on, so on. Learn it yourself first, and then hire someone. That you know what good quality of that product looks like, or of that service looks like. Man, Claude, it's been a while, but I'll trust Claude and see and trust in the process. Also, is this all good? Should all of this work, like currently, should everything normally work? That's the only thing I need to know. And then I will test it as like a human and click around. I do hope another client here. I'm just trying to get more Upwork clients. I want to get truly started on Upwork and just show y'all. It doesn't matter what you do, if you lock in, you can make money everywhere. I want to at least get 10k in Upwork in like 1 or 2 months. I know that's a bit of unrealistic, but from like a starting point, because I don't want to get clients I already have on Upwork. I want to start fresh. But I think it's possible in like a month or two. 10k on Upwork is very doable. Like, you just need to believe in yourself mainly. That's it. Just believe in yourself and work. And it's doable. Like, even worst case scenario, I do a website 1000 for 10 people, that's 10k. Oh well. Upwork takes like, how much? Upwork, how much money do they take? Percentage? Upwork, how much they take? Okay, maximum 15. Or 7. Ah, that's okay. Like, 15 to, that's... So we need to make around 11,500. What do we say? 11? Yeah, 11,500. That's okay. Like 11k and a half. And then I have 10k in Upwork. And that's doable. Like most clients, you just need one good client. Because I saw on Upwork, you have a lot of high quality clients. Like that literally say 8.5k and so on. It will be a difficult project. But then 2 good clients of 7.5k. And you're kind of established in Upwork. And then you're set. I just want to show it that it's doable everywhere. It doesn't matter. I made it now on Fiverr in these last couple of months, but I want to do it on Upwork, on Dribbble, to just show you all it's doable everywhere. It's not just one platform, everyone can do it. Like, if you really want it, you can get it, and that's everything in life. If you really want it hard enough, you get it. It's as simple as that. Let me see, this is almost done, come on. My limit is approaching, okay, 18 minutes it resets, so that's good, at least. Come on, it should work, come on. Let me even check, is it my real secret key in there? Resend. Okay, problem number uno, that's not a real resend key. Let me find this one. I'm not showing it on stream just because I'm like working with API keys. And I don't want to like reset or need to reset it just because it's a hassle. Okay, this is a real Entropic API key. This is a resend API key that now should work. Okay, that's all connected. Then I'll republish it again to just make sure it all works. Just because I'm just not fully, I'm not 100% on it. And I always like to be like 100%. Just because, well, it's money and so on, like. But now I do want to get, I truly need to get started on the mobile app marketing, like on the gym part. And I am jacked, I just need to make videos, like, it's a bit, well, not cringe, I'm just not used to it. To that record of like gym recordings. But well, I'm not shy to record in gym, like if you just point that. I won't buy a tripod, I know a friend that has it, but that's not my thing. I will not carry around a full-on tripod setup in the gym, that's just... Like, just putting the camera on the ground and then training or deadlifting or whatever that I will do. But well, you can actually... I have some plans, you can just put it up against the wall, like... I have some of the insane strats that I can do. Okay, I will now check if the resend works. It's for a different project, I just need to make sure it works and like send a test email to myself. In 50 minutes it resets and then the AI can continue working. But I am very happy with this already. Design looks amazing. This I might update just because it's just a cube, man. Like Envato. Like I know they have some nice stuff for me here, like man, they updating their with slop graphics. Post it. Oh, well, I don't know what it's called. Duct tape. It's like if someone knows the name of this, please let me know. Not post it, but like this thing I can use. I just want like a 3D thingy. Okay, well, this is decent. This one speaks to me and this one also. Maybe I need to find some cleaner thing. You know what? Just take this one, man. Oh well. But it's a 3D model. PNG. I'll use this one. It will have like the cartoony type of vibe. It's good. Like. But the AI is like broken for now, but it's all good. If you cannot extract the zip because I send it in chat, it's also in my downloads folder. Thank you. Also, what I want you to use this for is... Now let me get the screenshot. Because you see the duct tape on the screenshot, or like that little post-it. Try and make sure that it's just that kind of duct tape. Or well, maybe make it colored or something if you can change the colors of the duct tape or whatever it's called. But I want it definitely added, see if it's possible. And then let me know. And that should be that should happen site-wide everywhere, and that should be the new kind of style for it. You get what I mean? Just like duct tape instead of the blue box. Thank you. It's those small things, chat. Those small things. But currently, looks fire. I'm going to slowly work on this and then slowly get it to schools. Because I'm not in a rush with it. And I rather make it perfect and just get it on a small... Like with a small amount of testers in like local schools. And then just see how it goes. And then I can listen to the feedback of the teachers, really. Because I know those bigger companies don't do that. But really, when you start a company or like a platform where you sell to people, or like where you're the owner of the company, like something like Dog Vibe Club or Chalkboard, Raplet, and so on. Truly listen to the people. Listen to what the people want. Like stupid requests you ignore, but some people truly have great requests, like your user base knows the platform best, and listen to that request, update it, and so on. That's what the bigger companies don't do. What? How to make a prompt for the make an in-app purchase app? Explain of mobile app, web app, but Johnny, that's there is no one-step prompt. Like all those vibe codecs telling you, give me the one-shot prompt. That's not a thing. First, choose your provider. If you're making a mobile app, you go to just show my real revenue. Ah, okay, it's not logged in. Go to this one, Revenue Cat. What is it? Also, I might join this. Revenue Cat is for mobile apps. Stripe is very good for web apps, but in my opinion, use Revenue Cat for all of them. Revenue Cat can do mobile and web apps. So just hop onto Revenue Cat and start shipping, man. What is this? Money? Like, I do like money and cash prizes, chat. Best game reward. How much money? I bet. I do want 100k in the pocket. Oh well, join with my business email or business email, my main email. Let me know, John Official. Like, are you making a mobile app, web app? Do tell me, because I love to help people, but I do need info to know what exactly you're doing. Come on, can you open? Then use Revenue Cat. Use Revenue Cat, John. That's the only thing you need. Oh well, the only thing you need for payments. And then, well, just bank to receive it. Now, then definitely use Revenue Cat. But I would personally, I would recommend, if you are really gonna go for it, publish on App Store. App Store is so much better in every single way. Apple will test it for you. They will help you with marketing. They will help you with everything, and you will get higher quality clients in general on the App Store. The people on the App Store are like more likely to spend lots of it. Like the most, it's like multiple. Was it a trillion? Like, or maybe it was almost 100 billion or almost a trillion. Like people spend much more on the iOS App Store than on the Google Play Store, and that's a literal statistic. That's not me saying it. But it depends. Like, I do know it's expensive. Like 100 euro is expensive to join the Apple Developer Program. But in my opinion, every vibe coder should first get clients in the pocket. First get a few clients, make money, and then start making your own projects. Because then you know, I have money in the pocket and it's good. Like, for example, if you're a young guy like me or like 18 years old, you need to make money to show your parents, yeah, it's all good, and so on. I host them as well, but like, I don't charge a retainer fee, beefed. I just tell my clients, give me the money, I'll host it on your account. I should start with retainers, but like, I kinda do retainers, but they always come back to me. Like, after, like, for example, I did a website for 2,500, and later on, and like 2 months after, the guy came back to me and was like, hey, I have a project, 12k, full CRM engine, you wanna make it? And I was like, hell yeah. Like, they come back to you eventually, like, for help. So, I don't charge retainers, I just host it. I help them with everything. I build it, I host it for them, take away all the stress of your clients. Just make it work. They don't want to hear all the technical stuff. Just make it work for them. And that's it, man. Like, just make it work for the clients. Make their life as easy as possible, because that's your job as the tech guy. I love Claude Pro, John, but I would recommend, if you're making mobile apps, go to Codex. Why? Xcode is built in. Oh wait, I don't know what it's called. Mobile. I would say, I cannot find the exact thing, but use Codex. ChatGPT, get it. Don't use Claude Code for mobile apps. Both are good. I would say you can make your app in both of them, but I recommend Codex because they can open a visual Xcode in a preview tab. Claude cannot do that. You don't even need to be on a MacBook to have it open the preview tab. Because that was a problem a lot of people were facing before. That Claude and so on couldn't use Xcode properly because, well, they're not on a Mac machine and all of that blah blah. But now it's fixed in Codex. I'm not sponsored, by the way. I do hope to get sponsored one day by ChatGPT or Claude or both of them. Like, I love both of the platforms. They've made both of Claude and ChatGPT have made me so much money. It's insane. I'm truly thankful to both of the platforms. I would say ChatGPT has helped me more as like the OG AI platform, and then later on came Anthropic. Anthropic really got me into vibe coding and just making that online money. I already, like, when I was 16, I was making already money on online. Wait, on fish. Why fuck Replit? Explain. What is the problem with Replit, man? The credits or what? I do know Replit is expensive, but it works. Tell me the problem, Jacob. Now I'm curious. But I'm not that into Upwork at the moment. I'm just optimizing my profile. I haven't put in the money yet. I have like 120 connections. I just need to get started on Upwork. But I am going to get over 10k in Upwork in 2 months to show you it's possible anywhere. Yeah, no problem, John. And you can listen to my suggestions or don't. I just recommend you do it. Like, just you choose whatever you do with the info. But definitely try and make money first. But if you are 100% that your app is gonna make loads of money, just do it, man. Just do it. Believe in yourself. You can do anything you want. And just make money, man. Lock in. If you truly believe and give it your all, you can make money with whatever. I literally spent 50 U. Yeah, that is Replit, man. Replit is expensive, but it works. But you just need to prompt very safely in Replit. Just lock in when you prompt. Prompt very carefully. Only do meta prompting. That's what I do. If you don't know what meta prompting is, it's just like you let the AI write a full prompt in and so on. Come on. Let me see. Man, I need that reset soon, like. Chance. Oh well, what is this? Chance. Claude's lock in, man, or Codex. Please double check the links. Just make sure it all works. You have the logins. Why does my camera? Well, not my camera. My other. No clue. Does my other camera work actually? Nope. That cursed camera doesn't want to work. Like, let me see if he wants to switch on. Okay, it does work. Cursed fucking camera, bro. Because I have like 3 screens. Like, I do need to use this view more, but I like the other. When I talk, I like facing and like looking in the camera. Then I can like, it's more personal. Well, it's my usage reset. 3 more minutes, okay. I think next stream I should like get the frozen fruit again, just that I can eat while I stream. But I'll like get full on stream foods again. Like, I'll just like put some frozen, like I just put grapes, honey over them and in the freezer, and then you can like just have a nutritious snack. It depends though, like for me I don't really eat a lot of candy or sweets, or well, sweets I do eat, just not candy that's highly processed, because I cannot, like if you don't eat it for like a year or 2, your body just doesn't want it anymore. And I just prefer fruit and honey. Nah, bro. We ain't gotta do that, bro. Forgot. Crazy. I think, oh well, it was not cat that I ate, it was like strange mystery meat in Thailand. But I'm okay, I survived. I actually only had food poisoning once in like my 2.5 months or so in Thailand. When I was there just on vacation, workation, or digital nomad, whatever you want to call it. I only had food poisoning once, and that was, I actually don't know what it was. I think I was just a bit sick, and then something I ate came out the wrong way, I don't know. But I do recommend, if you vibe code and you got that money, start traveling, man. It depends. If you're young and you don't have a family and so on yet, start traveling, man. Start seeing the world, live your life, experience life, and then just see the world, man. Truly, one of the best choices I did, to just go to the plane, Thailand, 2.5 months. At such a young age also. And I will travel more. Like, I will maybe later on do traveling vlogs. I will visit Europe more, because actually I haven't seen a lot of Europe, even though I'm like a European citizen. I do want to visit Germany. I want to visit more, just because I can also speak a bit of German. France, Luxembourg maybe, or well, Luxembourg doesn't really have a lot. Liechtenstein, Swiss. And there's so many good places in Europe to visit. Norway, Sweden, Finland, Poland. Like, all the places in Europe are good to visit. Then also Japan. I do want to visit. Then Thailand I will definitely go back to. Thailand was such a fun experience, man. It's different, but it's fun. Good food, you have Bolt. Like, Bolt is like the taxi drivers in Thailand. Did it almost reset? I'll wait another minute, and then I'm like sure to reset. Settings, usage. Okay, it resets. Then we go. Claude or Codex is checking it. We have 6%. That's not that decent. Hey, you have the logins, man. You made the logins. You have the logins. Like, AI asking me for logins even though he is on the site. He made the site. And he asking me for the logins. Oh, AI. Are we serious? You don't know your own passwords? Cooked or... Okay. What is the problem? Let me see. Like, how does he forget his own passwords? It's this one, I think. Okay, the password isn't here. Maybe this one. Okay. Normally these should work. If not, then well, the AI is just cooked. I'll just paste them into chat, I don't care. Just use these. No, I don't care that you have the logins. Like, ChatGPT can steal my logins. Like, I changed them after I finished the project. It's like just demo logins anyway. It's like throwaways. Like, John Doe ain't no real name, man. John Doe ACM. Is ACM even a real company? Like, or did he really copy something? Yes, it's not even a real thing. John Doe from ACM.com. Like, they can have my passwords. Now we wait for the AI to finish. I have like the multiple AIs on my other screens, but all good. But I'll end the stream soon because it's a bit of a late stream. I'll probably after stream eat a bit, or well, late night snack, and then take a nap, sleep. Then in the morning go to the gym, and I'll maybe record my first gym bro video, and I'll start promoting my health app. Because the health app is decent. I do need to do some fine-tunes, or fine-tunes. Everything is done, but I want to add more features, like that it truly is the best health app there can be. But the basic is there, I kinda use it already. I just need to use the food tracking feature more. Like, we have some feature, you just take a photo of your foods and it calculates it. Because that's the main thing I need to do, is just eat more and calculate it, I suppose. But I do think I do eat a lot of it in a day. I don't know how much exactly, but I would say 2.5 kilo of random stuff all combined. Or well, I think even more. Like, just in the general food, I do know my average meal is like 400 grams of fish. Then rice, I don't know how much. 5 scoops of that thing in the bucket. And then eggs, like 8 eggs in that meal also. Then in the morning I always have like some kebab and then Frans brood. I don't know what it's called in English, French bread. It's not a baguette, it's like, or well, it's like a baguette and then just filled with food, like with like some meat, some vegetables and so on. And then just during the day also kind of random food like fruit, just frozen honey, well, honey and then frozen fruit. I do need to get raw milk again because just empty. I just need to buy like, I think 12 liters for the week or 16 liters for the week. I just need to see if I can like get a bigger bottle to fill it. Or just get like a 6-liter bottle and just take it and fill it. I will see how exactly I'll do that. Like, the main things I want to do this year is make loads and loads of money. I want to make over $1 million this year, and I know I'm gonna get that. Or well, maybe, well, this year it will be less doable, but it's doable. We have still 5 months. At least $500,000, like worst case, or almost at least $1 million in net worth, like in combined money of the company, and I'm happy for the year. And just become even more jacked. Money and mindset, that's all I want, man. Money, getting even more jacked, and well, mental life experience, I suppose, see the world. But I already did a lot, I suppose. Like, I got to, like, we had a lot of good milestones this year. I got to live alone, got my own apartment at 18, got to learn like how to live at myself, like cook for myself, clean for myself, and so on. And just, it is an experience to like have your own house and like really take care of it and so on. But I would say no hate to like people that complain about that or like and all that stuff or like stay at home women or whatever. Like the cleaning doesn't. It's okay. The cleaning would I would have supposed the cleaning would be worse. Like I would have supposed it would take more of my time and so on. But I do live, or well, small. Two bedrooms, but one I use as like a storage. I just have like a fridge there, a random bed, and like boxes. And I have like one bedroom, bathroom as in like sleep, and then bathroom as in like shower, and then I have a toilet. Like, so the house is quite big, but it's not that much effort to clean. But I do know I'm not doing some deep cleaning. I'm just making sure there's no dust and no dirt everywhere. And just basic cleaning. Have you checked, for example, the new features like the sign up email link? Could you just send it to my email? Yint. Okay. Before I expose my own email on a stream. Well, you all know the first 5 letters of my email if you all listened. Gosh, everyone knows my name on stream. Like, almost exposed my own email, man. We'll let the AI work for a bit more, but I'll end stream in like 20 minutes. But then we had a good run. I thought you already did that? Ah, okay. It's a fly. Or well, not a fly, I think a mosquito. But I think he just came in before I closed the window. Because I still need to get like a new fly in that. Because like, don't know what creature destroyed it in my backyard, but some creature destroyed my fly net in my garden. Or like it's the fly net you put in front of the window, something took a bite out of it. Or maybe a bird flew against it, who knows. Okay, that should be good in a few, and then I'll do this one. Then we all good. The AI is working. Copy to repo. Okay, he had a problem, I think. Are you sure it is because of a resend domain issue? If so, give me a full text I can send to the client so we can get it fixed. Also, what's it called? If anything else, if you're sure that everything works except that domain thing, just send me the full-on text to him so he knows how to do it. Like, so it was truly an issue of that. Or does it work? Like, I don't know. Have you tested the link? I saw you withdrew the link. Was it an issue? Was it just a placeholder text? It's probably never been completed in that resend account, to be honest. Okay, so that was the main issue, and I'll just tell him, problem there, and then it's fixed. Nah, we ain't streaming until 6. I don't have enough work to do. Or well, I do have work to do, but the usage ain't that big. Nah, we getting that 1 mil. Also, is there a delay on stream, or you just now locking or hearing me, Jacob? Nah, we getting 1 mil, man. Nah, but that's the thing, Jacob. Don't give up. Do multiple things. That's stupid to give up. You put in the work, and just because you don't see effort, It's the same as in the gym. People quit before they really see true results. Keep going at it, but also do other stuff, like while you're at it. Hey, less blah blah, and also just say so. I think the... Oh well, he guided, bro. Just say, I think, can you double check if the domain is connected because it doesn't seem to work, and without it the emails don't work, and just explain it to him how it works, or like how he fixes it. But don't give up, Jacob. Maybe you're watching the stream in delay or something, but don't give up, man. Like, that's the most stupid thing you can do. Like, you have put in the work and so on. Why give up now? Like, just keep going at it. Like, just because... Yeah, but try everything. Try everything. Like, what is the quote? Like, keep shooting until you hit something. Just keep going at it. And just because Fiverr banned you, because apparently we're doing boosting. I don't know if that's true. But if Fiverr says it's true, they saw something strange. And normally you don't have problems with like pulling clients from... Hey, a bit more context for him. He doesn't know how to double check it. A bit more organized that he knows. Because that is, I think, the issue. That is, I think. Because that... Okay, strange. Yeah, but... You need to talk a bit with Fiverr, but if you really didn't do the appeal, like I'm not accusing you of boosting, but they had a reason to do it. Because normally Fiverr is very fair. But try everything. That's just to like, it shouldn't discourage you. Yeah, Fiverr screwed you over. Yeah, okay, fuck them. Like, just go to Upwork, go to Dribbble, go to LinkedIn. Like, there's so many things you can do. Do school. Do everything. Try everything. But don't give up just because you had a drawback. Just because Fiverr screwed you over. Keep making money. Try and keep making money and you'll get it. Because people give up before they make it big. Like, it's either people don't start because they have some bullshit excuse. Or they give up because some other dumb excuse. Just keep going at it. And yes, I know that sounds rough opinion and not really clear, but it's as simple as that. Just keep working, you won't see progress a lot of the time. You will want to stop, but just keep going. And if you get a taste of that freedom, and like, the freedom will only last a small amount, I would say. Like, yes, or well, depends actually. You get used to the freedom, yes, 2.5 months silent, okay, wow, or well, I got my own crib, wow. But you will get used to it, but then you will just have the urge and the hunger to do more. So keep going at it. I will still stand by my point. Every single body can make money online. You just need, it's the same, you just need to lock in. And it's not something to do, it doesn't matter if it's vibe coding, e-com and all that stuff. It's mainly that entrepreneurial hunger and mindset, just because times change constantly. But just keep going at it. Giving up is the stupidest thing you can do, especially after getting or going at it so long. Let me see. No clue. The AI is doing some stuff though. We'll see when it's fully done. And we'll see. And for all the ones new, do join the Dollar Vibe Club. What we do is teach people how to make money online, simply put. Just go to dollarvibe.com, link in pinned, scroll all the way down to groups and we have free PDFs you can read and so on. Also, who DMs me on Dollar Vibe Club? That's DM. Now, if you ever find any bugs, do let me know. But no clue, man. AI tweaking or something. What did I do for this one? Let me see. Okay, I will do this client tomorrow and finish him and then deliver it. And I have still, then we have like around, I started the client 3 days ago and then I like finished it at like 3 days and 10 hours or so. And then we have another client in the pocket. That was a nice client, simple updates, full dashboard update, so nice. Those are my Envato files, you're allowed to use them. If you really need the license to be sure in your heart that you can legally use it, I'll get it for you. But continue working while I do that. Like, Claude is too nice, too law-abiding. Like, how would I download the Envato files and give them to you if I don't have the certificates? Like, I literally need to go and fetch the certificates. Like, stupid, man, stupid. Tommy download this or? Nah, I do Envato legally, man. I pay for Envato. I pay for Envato, bro. I pay for Envato. You can check my subscription and everything. Yo, Mohammed, welcome to the stream. Like, how would I download it if I don't have the license? Here, Claude is now the full license to be sure that he's a law-abiding citizen or something. Like, here, just read it and then he's happy. Like, what even is in this? Yeah, whoa, license here. It's just some bullshit. Like, I could literally type this. I could literally replicate this license. Just as my name, or well, name, just as my Google name on it. Yeah, Claude is too much of a law-abiding citizen these days. Like, Codex wouldn't give... Codex doesn't care. Codex just steals it, or else steals it. Just takes it, no questions asked. Claude needs to see the full license, read it, and be like, okay, it's legit, before he can use it. Like... We'll wait and see if Claude can lock in. Oh. Nah, I will stand by my point. Every single body here can make money online. And for the ones that already do, like, tell it to the people, like, that it's possible, that don't, like, so many people with dumb excuses, like, just lock in. Keep going at it. Yes, you will fail, but just keep going at it. Also, why is my camera, like, not straight? Okay. I should do, like, motivational content on Insta, man. Like, soon I'll just put my phone there, yap a little. Because I know a lot of people that do that and do get, like, traction. But they're not vibe coders, they're just, like, well, not gurus. Or well, if you sell in school, I would say, or well, if you sell on WOP at school, I would argue you're a guru, but nah, they chill. A bit of a sellout on courses, but Like, I would argue you could, oh well, I would not judge the course hours, but you can make money on every single thing. You can literally make money selling courses. That I would discourage because it's not a good sustainable business. Because you're just LARPing and convincing people that you have something worth to tell them for like 500 euro a month. Because you have a lot of course sellers that make their money of like $500 subscriptions and so on, but like it's not sustainable. What I'm doing is sustainable because I get paid by clients and so on, and apps and so on. It's like, and it's a skill that's useful, just a entrepreneurial mindset to keep working, going at it. But I would say gurus and the course sellers also have that, just in a different way. But you can make money in everything, like e-com. Like, but now this year, coming months, I'll show you Upwork, Dribble, that's all possible. And Fiverr too, but at Fiverr I already make bank. And it's a fun side hustle, like you just wake up, get the yams in the pocket. Oh, I didn't even know about that. What is the school community? How much is it? But that is a sellout move, the course seller move, like Los Yagami, I think I saw you before, that is like the peak course seller move, like, or well, peak scummy course seller move, like, in my single opinion, nobody can learn you vibe coding. I don't know what the school community is about, but nobody can learn you vibe coding. You literally just do it, talk with the AI and learn it while you do. There's no school for it, nobody knows it. But well, Bridgemind is a sellout then, I suppose. How much is it a month? 50? 60? I do know there was like, you needed to pay to join the hackathon or something, a viewer told me. No clue though. I only know Bridgemind of the beef actually that he had with Tommy, because he was like calling Tommy out. But from what I even saw, like from the few times I checked the stream, what does he even build except like those ADEs that people pay 80 bucks a month for? Alright, okay. What does he even build except his ADEs and his fancy tools? Like, does he do clients or? The only thing I see is LARP on his stream. Man, Claude fixed the domain. Like, I don't know. Claude has been yapping here, saying the resend domain ain't work. He has full access, like. And this one, I don't know. He's like, I don't want to show my other AIs because, like, they're showing API keys, voice to text. Man, buy Whisperflow. I would say it's cheaper. How much is it? Like, I would say Whisperflow is cheaper. 15 a month. You have note taker, dictionary. And it works better, I would assume. Because, well, Whisperflow is also... Ah, is it? Yeah, I do know he bots his views. Just a vibe go. But never loved. In my opinion, nobody can make a... In my opinion, that might be sound rough. You don't need an ADA or IDE. I have one for the stream because it's fancy and funny. But I don't... I've done clients without some fancy tools. You just need Whisperflow if you want to talk, because I don't want to type. Like, I can just talk, blah, 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 say my stuff to the AI. Nah, crazy LARP of, what's his real name? Matt? Tommy told me once. Matthew? Yeah, Matthew. Maybe that was someone else. Insane LARP of Bridgemind and the sellout. 6 mods banned for calling him out on the school. If I ever become a sellout, y'all can call me out. But I will stand by. I think information should be free. And I'll do a little plug. Don't be sending the full legal name, KG. Yeah, I also have my own Whisperflow. Bobby Speaks. Or well... It's from another vibe coder to get, oh well, this is a shit version. But it works on mobile, but I prefer Whisperflow because they added a new feature that I like. They have like note taker, and it's like for meetings. But I will make this in my own program soon. But stop, whisper. Cut. Oh wait, let me see. What is your suggestion on using Google Search for me? Don't do that, I would say. Nah, same as me, but there's scummy ways to make money, and there's good ways to make money. And I would never sell out. Or well, if I ever sell out, you let me know. But in my opinion, information should be free. That's why I made the Dollar Vibe Club. There's literal free PDF explaining how I did it. Make 10k a month at 18 on Fiverr. And I'm also... You need to think that's not my only income. I also have local clients and I'm contracted with companies. I would argue everyone, get contracted with as many companies as possible as like remote as like a coder. I also want to get into SAP soon, SAP. Soon I will do this more because it's so easy to vibe code. I've done things like this, but I want to really promote it because you can make bank of this too. I have some people that I know that make bank of this without AI. Nah, but I would say, if I ever sell courses, you can call me a sellout. But here, Dollar Vibe Club, fully free. Read it. I didn't even... Oh well, the crypto pump I did hear of that he did. But well. I just know he does bot his streams, that I do know. Or well, his viewers at least. Because he cannot have more than guys and net and like viewers. But he has like UK on. Yeah, but it's a sellout. It's like information should be free. It's just you're using impulse buy to promote and show, pay me a course and I'll show you how to make money. Even though he doesn't know. No hate, he doesn't know shit. Apparently, if he says his dashboard is fake, as Loshiami says it. I am from Belgique, my friend. Belgium. I know, I have a strange accent. I apparently sound German, Swedish, French, and Dutch together. I'm from Belgium, but I do travel a lot. I do want to go back to Thailand, man. I miss Thailand. Continue with the next milestone, please. Like, I'm just letting this thing run on autopilot while I check my other AI. I don't want to show my other AI because I'm, like, doing API keys and I don't want to switch. Like, I'll show it for one moment here. Here. Just because I don't want to show my random API keys. I don't want to switch them. But I've never had my API keys stolen. Nah, it's just not sustainable. That's the thing. It's not a sustainable income never left. Eventually, people will find out. Lost Yagami, KG, they were mods for him apparently. Got banned. It's not sustainable. Because you're not... You're LARPing and you're you're a schemer, a con artist. Especially if you have fake dashboards. I will show you my dashboards and show you 10k. And I will... Well, you can publicly see it, kind of, if you just go to my Fiverr reviews. But yeah, true. Maybe having good moral, or well, I will stay with my good morals. Like, I will never sell a course for 50 a month. Coaching, maybe, but then I would only sell gym coaching. But then that would be IRL or something. That'll... depends, so that I'll maybe do when I'm like old, retired or something, 40 or 50. Maybe in a different life. But for now, coming 5 years I'll be online, working, making money, traveling the world. Or well, this year I'll stay in Belgium and Europe. I don't want to go to Asia just because it's like a 12-hour flight. And I prefer, then I like need to adjust to the jet lag, so I'll stay in Europe. I'm not a fanboy, just playing devil's advocate. True. Nah, I get that, never left. I get that. Nah, but yeah. I would say, well, not respect, but well, if he makes money, make money. But that's not just sustainable and will catch up with you in the end. And in my opinion, everyone can learn vibe coding for free. Just go to ChatGPT. Like, get a Claude subscription or ChatGPT. I would recommend Codex, aka ChatGPT. That's all you need. I would say start with the $20 plan and just get started. Just get started, man. Did he translate my thing to Dutch? Naar Nederlands. Also, Miles. Miles, let's go. Let me know where you're from, what you're building, and so on. Like, you just tell me where the hell I'm from, but no response back. Let me see. Oh, that's nice. Those look nice, man. I'll end the stream in like 10 minutes or so. Good run. It's already late. Then I'll eat a snack and go sleep. Then tomorrow or so I'll get my Upwork started. I'll make 10k in Upwork in 2 months, mark my words, and I'll just show you all it's doable. On every single platform, it doesn't matter what you do. Never loved. I mean, use ChatGPT to learn how to vibe code. You can literally learn vibe coding from scratch. Ah, nice, for PE and VC firms. Nice, man, nice. What kind of AI agents, if I may ask? Voice agents or coding agents or well, depends, I suppose. And you can learn vibe coding just from talking with AI, never left. I have learned it fully myself. You don't need to go to some fancy school or course. I would say all the info you need to learn how to vibe code is online for free. I would say you just need to pay for a subscription, that's it. Add the rest of the theories and like all the rest of the lesson libraries, thank you. Apparently MD. Ah, nice. I normally was gonna get a lawyer client like more in depth, but he still needs to order. It will probably be in like a month or so. Like he wants to make a full-on lawyer platform. He's like a graduate. Or well, not a graduate, he's still in school. He's like 22. Like, I hope I can get to work on this platform. It's like gonna be a nice lawyer platform with also AI integrated. I know it's a bit different than legal and compliance, but if I get to work on a project, it just reminded me of it. Okay, I'm almost done with my clients, and then I'll probably end the stream. I think, yeah, another 2k clients. Like, I'll even show. This is just Fiverr, by the way. And this is just for this month. And the others already cleared. Let me censor. Just to show. I don't want to go in my whole dashboard and so on. But like, literally 7k here. I censored it because I don't want to like leak info. And this is just for this month. And I have another one of 3k that's clearing. And then a 6k that's also still clearing. Ah, nice, man. Nah, thank you for the sub, but I would appreciate a lot if you go to dollarvibeclub.com, man. Sign up to dollarvibeclub.com. We teach people fully for free how to vibe code and how to make money online. There's free PDFs explaining how to get local clients and get started on Fiverr. And how I did it in a few months. And this is from a few months ago, and I already have like 13 extra orders. And probably I'm top rated in like a few months. Top rated is like the top 0.01% of Fiverr sellers, and you get like loads of benefits too. That will be the goal of this year. The main goal will be make $1 million in net worth before 19 would be fun. I'll probably, at 19 it's doable. 19 of age, 1 million is very doable. This year we will see, but definitely $500,000, very doable. And then just Upwork and Dribble I want to do a lot. Like, I just want to get all the freelance platforms under my belt and just show here it's doable, it's not just Fiverr. But I would argue Fiverr truly is the best place to get started. I'm not sponsored, by the way. It's just Fiverr. Like, where's my phone? But like, you literally, like, you wake up or you like go take a piss, go to the gym, and you get like a DM from a client, you just answer it and then you get money. Like, on Upwork, you need to pay to send people DMs. Like, Upwork is pay to play. Dribble is limited. And freelancer.com is also limited. I would say Fiverr is the best one out there. That you can start for cheap and for free. Like, best one in my opinion. Especially as a vibe coder. You can sell everything, video editing, vibe coding, and so on. I am a full-on designer. I can make better designs than a lot of, or I would consider myself a full designer. I don't hire designers or other people currently. I can get websites finished in 3 hours if I want to. If I like a simple website, I can get done in 3 hours. I don't hire designers. I would say I am a designer. Like, this looks good. I still need to do a lot of fine-tune, but like, what's my portfolio? Oh well, my portfolio ain't done. Like, oh well, it looks bad because it's not fully zoomed in. I will update this a bit more. I made this special because then it looks like a bit more interactive. It doesn't look like the standard sites. And here. Nah, I don't hire designers, man. You just do it yourself. But I'll update my portfolio. Like, I have another one, I think. What's my Yip Labs? Oh, well, it's not linked, probably. Nah, you don't need that, man. You can do everything it sends. Nah, you don't need that, man. Like, then, at like the start, you don't need it. If you have an agency, yes. But you can literally vibe code. Never left. I would argue, if you have over 1,000 clients a month, expand your project. Or, like, expand your team. But for that, like, but then you're at 1 million a month, so, or above 1 million. You can do everything solo for the most part in vibe coding. You just need to put in the effort. Also, Tabish, welcome to the stream, man. I know he meant hiring out designers who like, nah, you don't need designers. Other vibe coders, yes, I would say, but designers, not per se. Well, a designer that can vibe code is best, I would say. It depends how much money. I'm not going. Oh well, you don't need to answer. But if you make over 100k a month, then I would say I'll hire someone. If you don't make 100k a month, don't do it. Like, I would even argue 100 websites a month is. It depends how difficult clients are, but if you are at like 100 websites a month, I would consider about hiring someone. And development work, no hate, isn't that much work in vibe coding. I have not had that much trouble in development backend. The design is the most important, and that I like to do myself. I like designing websites. Nowhere near. Yeah, then don't even think about it. In my opinion, then don't think about it. Just do it yourself. Like, focus on scaling and getting more clients, but also doing the work. AI can do most of the work for you. I just visually check the design and make sure it works. And AI can debug himself now with like Playwright, Chromium. My AI can do full-on projects debug himself. And I never have any glitches. Like, for all the very, very, very complex things, I also double check. But for simple things, like a simple 2,500 euro or dollar website with like a form just needs to look and have a nice design. That's it. And yeah, maybe CRM, but that's then another 4K. That is the way to go. But well, I do prefer having more clients and less. I think. Oh well, I have had 12k clients or 16k clients, but those are more rare. But I don't have monthly clients, I just have freelance. But that is nice though, 25k a month from 4. W. Man, I also need to get started on that, I think, with like clients. But I am contracted with a few, and that's different, I suppose. But we'll start the agency soon. Also, this might sound like a scam, I don't care if you believe it or not. We're gonna host a DVC agency. Everyone that joins the Dollar Vibe Club, we will put jobs on here. So for example, we'll say you make a website for an Amsterdam boutique hotel, and you get paid to do it. Ah, nice, man. Nice. W, Miles. W. Well, but my websites are simple. I just do client 12k and then I move on to the next, move on to the next. But I don't do retainers, like, and most of my clients come back. But nah, we'll do the DVC service more with you. I don't do cold calling. You don't need to do cold calling. I even stopped with doing that. You don't need to do cold calling. People literally send you DMs on Fiverr throwing you 5,000 euro to just say, build me my kebab website. Like, what am I going to, like, be the Wolf of Wall Street and call people randomly? Don't do that. It's a waste of, like, I would say cold calling is okay, but Fiverr is so much better. I cannot even explain or compare it to. Just do Fiverr, Upwork, Dribble. Don't be cold calling. Cold email I would do. Like, let AI scrape leads for you and cold email them, but don't be wasting your time with like 5-minute phone calls for 20 of them. In my opinion. But in the end of the day, you can make money everywhere and anything, so. But nah, the DVC agency, so we'll just put jobs on here and you can get hired. You just need to join dollarvibeclub.com. I do need to update, I think, the revenue again on the profile. I think I forgot that, but nah, currently I only preach Fiverr, because that's where I get loads of money from. And then, well, contracted. Get contracted, start companies, do your own thing. But soon I do want to get into SAP soon. And I just will show you all, you can make money every single way, bro. Doesn't matter what it is. Ah, it's German. In Wolfdorf, Deutschland. I do have, I think, a good fake German accent. I cannot speak German. Or well, I can fake my way through it and like order some food. Anyway, I'll end the stream in a few. We did our thing. AI finished. Het is aangepast, yeah. End of the stream, I will tell y'all once more, every single one here can make money online. You just want it, you just need to want it, just log in. Everyone can make money, man. Every single one here can make money. And do research, but don't listen to what all the people say. Don't even listen to what I say, like, find it out yourself. Like, don't even, I'm just a random kid on the internet. I'm a random 18-year-old. I'll test the demo, Jacob. I'll test it. If it doesn't work, then on you. I'll test it. If it doesn't respond in like 10 seconds, we out. We end the stream. Let me see. Hello? Hello? I want to book for my appointment for the dental care. Hello? Hello?
Hello, I can help with that. Are you looking to schedule a routine checkup, or is there something
routine
specific
checkup?
You need to be seen? Okay. And what days of the week usually work best for you? Mornings or afternoons?
A Sunday
Also,
or a
do you
Wednesday evening. Or a Monday. I'm gonna just test.
I see. We do have some availability next Wednesday evening around 6 p.m. or Monday morning at 9 a.m. Do either of those work for you?
Yes, they work for me. Ah, okay, nice, Jacob. Wait, let me answer Tabish. I'm not saying it's bad, Tabish, but I'm saying you can you can do it, but it's also a bit of a waste, not a waste of your time, but it depends. If you want to do it, but not everyone can do it because you need to be the goddamn Wolf of Wall Street, and cold calling will get you so many hanged off phones. I did cold calling also. It's like 1 in 20. It depends. And yes, but it depends on who you're cold calling. If you're calling the random local kebab shop, he's just gonna like pay you 1,000 max. Yes, that's money still, but depends who you're cold calling. Cold calling. You have no warm leads. In Fiverr, they're all warm leads, and that's the point. But do whatever. Everyone can make money. I'm not saying it bad, but make money first. Make money. Nah, definitely Jacob. W voice, but not Tabish. Make money, man. I would say get Fiverr up and running is the best way. Well, I mean, you can just do your own thing. But if you believe cold calling works, do it. Do it. Try and get 5k from it. Try to get 10k of it. And I encourage it. Like, try different things. Don't listen to me. I'm just a random guy on the internet. Like, do what you believe you will make you money. It's pretty annoying. Hate to go. This is where I build MMR, but it's pretty. Well, I just also get started with retainer fees, but I'm happy with like above the way above the 10k, man. Like, just from Fiverr clients. It's freelance anyway, but make money with everything you can. Like, try literally everything. But I don't do cold calling anymore because, in my opinion, it's a bit of a. For me, it's a waste of time just because I get warm DMs and Fiverr. They literally walk in my DMs, throw me 5k or like sometimes 12k and say, build me it. And I just say yes. Like, oh well. You send them a demo, they are like, wow, I can see it visually. And then they're like, here, take my money, build it. It's as simple as that. And with cold calling, they're not always interested and sometimes will call you a slur. It depends on what your region, but they will sometimes, it depends. Depends who you call and so on, but most of them will not give a fuck. Anyway, this is the end of the stream. And the quote of the day is, we're in the AI gold rush, you can make money. This is bigger than the Californian gold rush. You can make money out of nothing. Out of thin air. We're literally selling nothing. Air. Warm air, like they say. Do you think it's the best way to sell stuff, or would you? Fiverr or promotion, oh well, Fiverr not. For SaaS server, but what kind of SaaS? Tabish, what kind of SaaS do you have? Wait, I'll wait for your question to answer, but what kind of SaaS do you have? I would say marketing, post. For example, if you're making something for plumbers, start making plumber content, invest a few in Google Ads or in Meta Ads. But don't be starting cold calling the plumbers and like irritating them. Let them come to you. Let them get a reputation, see you're legit, but you will get more from ads than cold calling for the most part. But if you are confident in cold calling, I'm not saying for SaaS services, you can make money from cold calling more easily. If it's a decent fee, and if you're trustworthy, your site looks good, and so on. But then I would even say cold email them. Cold email them. Don't even call them. Just cold email them, send them the link to your nice website. They can take a calm look at it and then say, well, this looks good, let me pay. Anyway, end of the stream. Everyone can make money online. It's greater than the Californian gold rush or something. I forgot my quote. It's an all-in-one SaaS for all. Yeah, then just sell it. Send them an email. So just send them an email and explain it. If make a nice landing page and explain it to them. Or well, the landing page will explain it. But I'll end the stream here. Everyone, like, legit lock in. We have 5 years to make the fuck you money or whatever. You can make literal money out of thin air. That's literal money out of thin air. Because you don't need to study 5 years for coding. You don't need to do anything. You just need to lock in and have a bit of an entrepreneurial mindset. I do say, learn yourself something new every single day. Watch something, watch entrepreneurs, watch videos, learn about the world, learn about whatever, science or whatever you want, but learn. Keep learning, even though if you're not in school anymore like me, keep learning every single day. That's part of life. Don't just be because if you quit school, or I'll quit school, just because you didn't want to go to college, because you realized school is a scam in my opinion in most cases. Like, I'm not saying school is a scam, but in general, like, 18-year-old making above 10k, or well, even before that a bit. And then, if I needed to study 6 years, 5k a month, like for some finance dude filling boring tax filings, then I would need to sit there all day, and maybe I get 10k if I have my own agency. How much money have you made? Lan, or Lan Ito Man, go to Fiverr. I have 44 views on my Fiverr. I'm 18 years old, been doing this 6-7 months. Guess, I don't sell anything under 1,000 euro. I have gotten 800 USD tips on Fiverr, and that's just my Fiverr, so you can calculate how much I make. And I forget to update the revenue sometimes on the stream, but I make more than a doctor, I would say. Or well, definitely yearly. Or well, a Belgium doctor more. I don't know. The corrupt American doctors might be on my level. The corrupt American doctors might be on my level. Who knows? But nah, I would encourage everyone, just lock in. It's the gold rush of AI. You can make money out of thin air with apps, clients, and so on. You have a few years and get at it. Like, we will have opportunities like this again. Before this, it was crypto. Ecom is still kind of the gold rush, I would say. But before this, it was crypto. I was in that also. Made loads of money out of it. I was a pro crypto gamer. Also for like Web3 blockchain gamer. Also made loads of money with that. I was in high school. Or well, high school. I would say a lot of it is scams though. Don't be into crypto currently or crypto gaming. It's all people are scamming each other. It's like the trenches. Don't be into the crypto at the moment. In 5 years, should be okay. Anyway, I will end the stream. GG. But literally, lock in, man. Like, lock in. It's you versus you. I've heard so many dumb excuses, but just lock in, man. It's truly doable to get a doctor's salary at 18 or like at 40 without any experience, man. Just lock in. Just